So here is Billal, he's the conductor of bus, and here is Saiful Islam Masum, he's passenger. So they're gonna converse. Okay, let's start.
Hello sir, please give me a fare.
Some
Where get in bus?
I get Shahabad. Farmgate to Shahabad.
Please take me fare.
How many money?
30 taka.
Why?
This fare is a
Farmgate
legal
to
fare.
Farmgate to Shahabad only 1 kilometer.
This one is 1 kilometer. This my company selected the 30 taka. Please give me no bargaining.
Sorry, 30 taka. Only 2 taka.
But why?
I am a student Dhaka University.
You see many student in bus. Please show me your ID card.
Sorry, I miss my ID card.
Because you have no student.
I show my university.
Not show university. Then
No, ID card,
any person student this half fare. Then we show me the ID card.
Okay, the 30 taka. I should.
Please,
I give 30 taka. Please your bus sheet, bhara sheet. Fare list.
Fare list.
Yes.
I have no fare list because
Sorry.
this bus proprietor association selected the fare because many passenger they have no pay the fare because it is the big problem in the bus. Please give me no bargaining in the bus.
Actually, you're wrong. You're two wrongs. One wrong. 1 kilometer 30 taka and 2 wrong. No show your sheet list. Fare list.
Not wrong. Then
you are sitting.
you get in my
sitting.
you
I am a student of Dhaka University. Please
get-
no talk.
you
Please
get-
no talk. Only 2 taka.
you get in my bus then
No.
then